have to listen to the fourth thing ladies want to hear. I mean, that thing is going to make you want to say it all the time. So you have to watch to the end of this video. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Gloria and I am so excited to be having you today with me. So in this new video, I'm going to be talking to the guys and also to the ladies too. 5 things that ladies want to hear the most. And I might even be giving more than 5, but I'm going to be giving majorly the things that we want you to tell us if we are in a relationship with you, and even if we're just friends, the things that ladies want to hear the most. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also like this video because you're going to get good value out of this video. So the number one thing I'm going to be talking about is you are beautiful. Ladies want to hear how beautiful they are, often from the person that they are in a relationship with, from the person that they find attractive. And if you want to date this person, if you want to date this lady, make sure you validate her beauty often. Always tell her how gorgeous she looks, always tell her how beautiful she is, and she's always going to want to be around you. There is something that is so mysterious about us ladies. No matter how beautiful we tell ourselves that we are, because I tell myself I'm so beautiful almost every day. In fact, every day I tell myself I'm beautiful. And then the thing is, no matter how beautiful we are, we always want people to tell us, especially guys that we like. We want us to tell us, to always validate our beauty, especially if we are dressed up and we want to go out. We want you to tell us how beautiful we look. The second thing we want to hear you tell us is, I love you. I love you. And it is more personal and more intimate if you add our name to it. If you add the lady's name to it, Vera, I love you. Gloria, I love you. Joy, I sincerely love you, or Sarah, I love you. It has to be so intentional and passionate and personal. I'm not saying you say I love you because you just want the person to like you, but if you really mean it, then it's going to be an added advantage. Really mean what you are saying. And ladies like to hear words of affirmation, words of acknowledgement, words of love and value. So always tell your person, always tell your partner that you love them. This is what we like to hear. The third thing is, I love how you look. I love this dress on you. I love your hair. I love the shoe. It looks so good on you. And one thing also you have to make her realize that the hair is not making her look beautiful. She is making the hair look beautiful. So all the accessories on her body are privileged to be on her. She's giving them expression, not them giving her an expression. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So ladies want to hear words that make them give validation to the things on their body. So if you are telling me you love the hair, make me understand that I am the one making the hair beautiful, not the hair making me beautiful, because the hair in itself is just there. I am the one giving personality to the hair I'm wearing. So I don't even understand it. So if you're telling a lady, oh God, you look ravishing, you're making this dress beautiful because you are the beautiful one inside of this dress. I don't know if you get it. So we have come to the fourth point. I told you that this is kind of my favorite point. This is what we want to hear most often, and then we cannot really say it. It is, girl, how much do you need? I mean, what lady would not want to hear that kind of a thing? I mean, if you ask a lady, okay, how much do you need? How much do you want? This is sweet music to our ears. I want to be told, Gloria, how much do you need? How much do you want today? How much do you need next week? I'll be so in love with you. Trust me. So ladies want to hear things about money. Ladies love money. And I saw a post recently, and it is quite true. If as a guy you don't like a woman that loves money, you're going to be poor, because your motivation to make more money is your lady, is your wife, is your girlfriend, because you want to adore her with so much money. And money is really not evil. It's just the personality that you have that the money also will just take onto. So if you are a good person, your money is going to be good to you. If you're a bad person, you're going to use your money for a bad thing. So money is actually good. I love money. Everybody loves money, but then there's this attachment to money and ladies. So I'm not talking about that today. So what I want you to always ask her is, how much do you need? Even if you don't really have the amount, she will call for you to give to her. I want you to make it a habit just to spice up your relationship, just to put fun into your relationship. You can just call her up and be like, "Hey, how much do you want today? How much do you need today?" And if she calls an outrageous amount of money, you can just laugh it out and be like, "All right, I'm going to note that for future references. I'm going to send that amount to you, probably in so time or in the nearest future." It just makes her happy to think that you have the intention to give her money. Money makes us smile. Money makes women to just feel good. And number 5 point I have for you is, give her a pet name. Ladies love to be called by a pet name. Ladies do not really like it when you call us by our names. Ladies do not really like it when guys call them by their name, especially a guy that they have something for or they are in a very serious relationship with. If you want to call her by her name, let it be like it's a very maybe serious conversation and you want to get her attention to what you want to say. Then you can call her name and be like, "Okay, Gloria, look, this is it, this is that." But if you want to like call her all the time, ladies like it when you give them a pet name: baby, darling, sweetheart, my love, beautiful, hey gorgeous, hi lovely, or something like that, something sweet, or a name that you know that she likes and she just turns to one kind of flower every time you call it. So these are very important things that we love to hear, especially the first point: you are beautiful. You are beautiful. Ladies like to hear it when you acknowledge that they are beautiful. And also, "I love you, I love you, I love you." Always say that to her. And also, always tell your lady, "I value you. I value you." Value is also seen in the words we use on ourselves, not just in what we do, but always ladies want to hear. I mean, there's a correlation between the words you say to a lady and how she feels about herself, especially if it's coming from somebody that she loves or that she likes. So always tell her, "I value you. I value you and I appreciate you." Make sure that you are intentional about the things you say to your lady and you're going to enjoy your relationship, because a happy lady wants to hear happy things. When you say things to her that are just validating, are happy, are joyful, guess what? You're going to have a joyful relationship. So if you got value out of this video, I would want you to please like it and also comment on this video and share it with your friends, with whoever it is that you want them to know about all of these things I just spoke about. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, why have you not done that? Please click the red button and subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me. And thank you so much if you watched to the point of this video. I really appreciate you and I thank you so much for watching to this point. I'm going to see you in my next video and I wish you a very sweet relationship. And also, if you're not in a relationship, I wish you a very sweet hunting. So bye for now. Good to see you in my next video.